Etihad Dreamliner, turn left at 270 degrees, descend around at 25,000 feet.
Right, hello everybody, it's John from Drones and Planes here. We're at Manchester Airport. It's the first time I've visited in 2022, so Happy New Year to all our loyal viewers. It's absolutely miserable as hell today, I'll be honest. It's raining, windy, but never fear, we're here and we're just about to witness the Emirates A380 departure, so sit back and enjoy the show. At least it's not raining where you're watching, or I hope it isn't anyway. There's a Jet 2 coming to land. As you can probably hear, it's very windy today as well. Straight down the runway, unfortunately. Look at that spray. Awesomeness. Like I said, I'm not in the best view position. Sorry about the barbed wire in the shot as well, but it's not much choice, it's quite busy. So here we've got an Easyjet going to land. Ryanair going across. It's like Manchester Airport today. Love the spray, like I keep saying. Easyjet's just landed a few minutes ago, and there's the other one from final approach. It's about to go behind the porch, the stanchion thing there.
If you haven't already, have a look inside the shop, have a look inside the aviation, have a look down the reception and some of the displays there. Just delay your time before a few minutes, and you go up to the time inside, look at something worthwhile, and start queuing your car to get out of the car park. If that's what your intentions are, if you're leaving after the A380, just stagger that, it'll help you get out and you'll have straight back for a second.
So the British Airways is going first, and then the Emirates will go, which makes sense. Might as well let the little plane go first rather than to wait for 3 or 4 minutes of wake separation. Just going back to Heathrow, their 2 or 3 daily shuttle service. Nice short takeoff. Here we go, all praise silence for the Queen of the airport at the moment. Wow. And now you can see, obviously, the Emirates has been and gone, so people are leaving in their droves. But I'm going to stay around for a few more minutes in this lovely weather, as you can see down here, to bring you the Etihad departure. And there in the murk, you can probably hear the rain hammering down as well. I think this is a Ryanair coming in from Grenoble in France. Le Français. I don't think it is though. Just not too whistling. Oh, this weather is just so amazing. I have new position, but it's still not optimal. Especially with the umbrella cam. Awesome. Oh, I'm absolutely freezing here. I've got pins and needles in my hands. All for this wonderful hobby of plane spotting. And as one Ryanair arrives, another one departs. Moisture still left on the runway from when the plane departs there. It is rather damp. And here's the Ryanair departure to that famous Irish resort, favoured by our feline friends, KATOWICE. Right, aren't they? And just behind that LANZAROTE on the KLM taxiing is the Etihad that's just lining up on T3 right. This will be our final capture of the day. I may be brave and stupid, but I don't enjoy getting that way either. So once this beauty's departed, then I'll call it a day. So thanks again for watching, hope you've enjoyed it, albeit a rather brief show from Manchester today. If you enjoyed the footage, obviously give us a like, please subscribe to the channel and leave any comments below. Thanks again for watching. It's John from Drones and Planes and the Etihad Dreamliner signing out.